Good morning, everyone. My name is Ray for Race Ball, and today I here in the beautiful Marine in West Palm Beach and do a service in 42 feet my bay. Basically, what I do today is do the oil and pellet, antifreeze, and basically do the whole complete tune-up. This is the 42 my bay, and this is the boat still do a service today. They have a 2 volvo B13 1,000 horsepower each. Well, you can see I'm ready to cover all the floor for make sure they don't have any oil spill and no damage in the boat. Basically what I do right now, I'm started remove the oil for 2 motor and the 2 training. And the good thing for that boat is they have the oil drain system installed. And that's very simple. You install your hose right there and you run your hose straight to the tanker that you want to dump the oil. And basically when you're ready, you open the valve, you push the electric button, and you run in the pump, and the pump is bringing all the oil and the transmission oil and the engine oil to the automatic with the pump, and you don't have to use any other equipment. That is something good. They save a lot of time. Right now what I do, I replace the water pump, the pellet. And the pellet is located in the back side to the motor and the pole side. You see the little places right there, I show you now. And they have like 5-7 screw, and this is when the pellet is. You have to remove all the pellet, and you have to use a specific tool for taking that pellet. This is in the volvo D13. For that extraction, you can take any impeller like this and any other volvo, but it's very important that you use the impeller. I find that the impeller pan, the pulley, the two pan number, and put in the description for you have idea what is the number. Make sure that you have it. It costs like $170, something like that, for volvo, so it's making the job easy and safe. Okay, I'm ready having the impeller, the new impeller on. I want to put it in place and put the O-ring right there. lubricate the shaft for the pellets. Before they install the pellet, make sure the lubricate properly. You see the oil that he comes with. Passing. That way, you protection. The pellet, the bikini, nothing break. It's very important. Put a lubrication on the pellet, okay? Make sure they put all the ball before the type press. All the body has to be one by one. Not type any one before all the body is in place, okay? Alright. Well, what I can see right here, the way they installed that pellet, all this blade is in right position and the other blade is installed opposite. So you see that blade is go to the clockwise and that one is go forward. For any reason, the pellet is not installed properly in that engine. The engine is not overheated, but so you can tell in the description, the photo that I posted, and you see the one blade is for one side and the other to the other. This is the new pellet. Okay, this is the transmission oil filter. You take it out the quicker you can because it's dumpy oil. That way you don't have a mess in the bottom of the boat. Make sure before they put the new filter, put a little oil in the ring because you don't have to screw the ring when you type it. And you can type it by hand. You don't need any tool for typing. Most you can, but by hand. It's no use any to clean it the filter a little bit, to put nice sticker. That way it's not blow out. Now I replace the water separator filter. In this case, okay, this is the new filter. Okay. Make sure to install it the new O-ring. Where you put a new O-ring. Make sure they put it that O-ring too, because that is important. The other way he can take a hair for that section. Simple like this. No use any tool, type by hand. Okay, I'm ready. Change the filter, drop the oil, transmission fluid, engine fluid, install a new filter, I label each one, and now I put the oil in each motor. Basically what I use a 1540 XAE, a volvo penta, and that is what the Volvo recommend, and that is what I use in that motor. Well, it's like 6:35. I'm done. The motor is ready running. Look at how much trash I have it right there. Waiting for the engine warm up a little bit. Make sure the thermostat is open right. All the coolant, refill the coolant again. Check all the oil level, transmission level. Make sure that everything alright. I believe that is all for today. Let me see what happened later. After the 1 hour and 40 minutes running, the temperature is still good, the oil pressure is still good. Everything is good. The bowl is clean, exactly what I received. No oil in anywhere. The floor is clean. All the sticker label. Every single filter, the air, the transmission label, the fluid change, the coolant, the oil, transmission fluid, engine oil, everything is done. I replaced the fuel filter on both sides. I sent the video later and it's ready to go.